So we have the model of Kia Sonet 2020s which we are going to review today. So let's get started. तो हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज है संडे और दोपहर के बज रहे 4:30 बजे और कार अभी भी यहाँ किसी भी समय आ सकती है। सो दिस इज़ Kia Sonet 2020 in white color and this model is IMT meaning intelligent manual transmission without clutch pedal. Car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. The best feature of this car and mine too, the Your Power Connect, which you can install in your mobile and operate your car anywhere in the world. Generally, volume in liter is associated with liquid measurements. Space inside a car is not a perfect cube or easily calculable shape. This is a reason the car boot space is specified in liters. By the way, Kia Sonet has a 392-liter boot space, which is quite impressive. So look what we got. It's look like a spy cam. By the way, it's a reverse camera for a parking purpose. So you will not see it easily. So you have to look carefully. Then you will able to see the camera and even near the brake light you get a reverse wiper spray and it is not easy to see. So we will see this car from outside and what is the outside look of this car. By the way, this car is good for middle class family. So in this car, from front bumper to rear bumper, all the chrome finish you see, it comes with extra accessories and you will have to pay your separately like in this car. On the rear side of the car, we see this beautifully designed silencer. By the way, this is not a silencer, this is a fake diffuser, and this is a real silencer. Is Sonet a safe car? On the safety front, the Sonet feature with 6 airbag, camera, electronic stability control and a tire pressure monitoring system. So after sitting on the rear seat, this car looks something like this. And there is also a roof lamp in the middle. At the same time, there is a roof handle near each door, but not on the driver side, where we can hang a suit or something. In this car, we get the option of smart pure air between the driver seat and the passenger seat. This cleans the air inside the car with one touch. It has an AC vent at rear side and there is a charging port and even a small compartment, but I don't think anything can be placed in it. So I will show you magic. So it is a hidden 2-cup holder with armrest where you can have your soft drink while enjoying your long drive with your family. The sound quality of the car is very good. Little sound of course, but not very much because the copyright will be on the video. By the way, the sound system installed by Bose. So basically this is a 10-inch display that is currently connected to the phone. You can also send your location to the car via Yuvo app and your car will take you to your destination. This is an amazing feature. You can customize this Bluetooth system by your own. The touch of this display is very smooth. You can adjust the setting by clicking the setup option. You can operate the volume up and down, also the radio and map too by one touch only. Here is the sunroof which is automatically and manually operated. with a switch that opens and closes the glass of the sunroof, and also the roof cover, which is exactly below the sunroof glass. So it is your choice to open the sunroof or want to drive the closed. So this is a dual roof lamp, also a switch for a small storage compartment to keep your sunglasses on. So in this reverse mirror, you get to see three buttons, which have first is SOS, second is towing, and third is UO. In which SOS contains save our soul for your help in any emergency and panic situations. As soon as you press that button of towing, the location of your car reaches Kia Towing, and you know about UO. So this is the Kia steering wheel where you will find IMT branding with Kia logo. The odometer also gives a very sporty look. On the steering wheel we will see lot of buttons here where you can adjust volume up and down, also a voice activation, add your favorites, reset buttons and many more. So this is the dual AC vent under the same. To operate that AC, we get a lot of buttons to see. So we can adjust the front and rear AC fan speed, which is more work. We can also adjust the hot air and the cold air too. So this is the mirror adjustment system in which we get a lot of buttons to look at you see. The circular button on it that allows you to adjust the mirror according to your visual. Below that is the two button which you can open and close the mirror with it. It has a one slider with it. There is a door lock and unlock button, and from this we can lock four doors and also a windows. In this, the best work of this last button is if the window is coming up and someone put his hand in the window, then this window will stand on the same place and there will be no injury to his hand because he can sense that it is an object. So that the particular left and right mirrors can move at their own pace. My favorite feature is the space to keep the car keys because we do not need to keep and remove that key again and again in the pockets. After starting the car, keep the key in that the storage. But it also has a problems. If you close the door as soon as you get down in the emergency situation, maybe door will be locked. The rear seat is very nice. I am 5 feet 5 inches, so according to my height, it is very comfortable and it is also a very good for 6 feet people. But for a person beyond 6 feet, it is not comfortable at all. And only 5 people will be able to sit comfortably in this car. So if you are thinking for more than 5 people, this car is not for you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.